Yes, hello guys, hello friends, welcome back to this tutorial. In today's tutorial I'm going to show you how you can create your QR code for free and with easy steps. If you didn't subscribe to this channel, No Max TV, please first subscribe on the button below, like this video, share this video to your friends, and turn on the notification bell button so as you get notified when we upload new video here at No Max TV. If there is any question, suggestion, so leave it in comment section. So now without wasting time, let's get started. So to create QR code with this option, you need to use the following application that I'm going to show you. So you need to go in your Play Store and download this best application, which is going to help you create QR code in few minutes. So now let me open my Play Store. As you see here, now I type in search bar, then search QR code generator. So QR code generator, you see now, after clicking QR code generator, I'm going to come here below, scroll down. You see there are various QR codes. Now I choose the one which is going to help me to create my QR code. So now I choose this one. You see QR code generator, which is QR code generator Pro version. It has around 1 million plus installation. Now I click this. You see now I have installed this QR code generator in my Android phone. What you need to do is to install this application. If you didn't install it yet, you install this QR code generator in your Android phone C22, and after doing this you need to open the application. So open the app. So now as you see, open the app here. So yes, you open the application. So once you open it, application, you see now it's QR code generator Pro. There are various options you can use here, whether you create your QR code, maybe it's different colors, different images, so you need to choose one. So you can create a QR code for Facebook, for Instagram, for YouTube, for any social media. So now for creating a QR code with this application, you need to use this one, this option here, QR code, create QR code. Now I click here, create QR code. You see here there is a text, put text here, whether you need to create QR code with website or with text with what and what. So you need to select here at the above. If it is a text, you create QR code with text. If it is a website, here you fill a website. On this they will ask you to put here the website address that you can use to scan in order to reach the website. So if it is Wi-Fi, also they are asking you to put SSID and security password. So as you will be scanning it, once you have scanned the Wi-Fi password, you will get connected to that internet. So now it is a WhatsApp. Also you are going to put the phone number for that WhatsApp contact, and if it is contact, also they are asking you to put a name, phone number, email, company, job title, address, memo. So if it is Instagram, also you can fill your Instagram username. So as you be scanning the QR code, once you scan the QR code, your username will be displayed and will be find it out on Instagram. So let's create a QR code with website. You see now here it is website. Now what I'm going to do is to find a website that I'm going to use, so as I can create a QR code. Let me find website in my Google Chrome that I'm going to use. That website is called So let me find website which is normv. So hallmarkstv.com. So let me use this one. Yes, review.com. This our website. Now we search this website. So now let's search this website in Google, then wait for its responding. Yes, come back online. Yes, wait a bit. So you see the website is coming. Now we are going to copy this URL, website URL. So we put it in our QR code. So we come back to this QR code generator and put in here. We are going to put our website address. So our web address now. Then after this, we are going to click here on the above, which is create. You see create option. Now we create. So after this, we have already created our website. So our QR code. What we need to do is you can choose the template for this. You can decide to choose to change the color. So we can decide to change the color, whether is this one, but it is going to be QR code you want. Also you can choose this one, as you can was seeing it. And use this one, you can use another one. This is a pro one, which is going to be paid, but there are free options to use. Also the background is here, you can choose background. So and the color, which is this. So you see now this is a QR code that is okay, then click OK. So for this you're going to click save. Yes, you click save. Yes, you click save, which is now saving the QR code. So now it is saying that QR code is saved in pictures. So now what I need to do now is to scan this QR code to see whether it is working. So I'm going to send this QR code that is created to another device. So I scan it and show you that it is working. So let's share this and scan this to see whether it is working. Yes, now I have put the QR code on my computer. I'm going to scan that QR code we have created to see whether it is working. So you need to find any application in your Play Store. The best one you can find here, the QR code scanner. So the app which is going to help you scan QR code. So you are going to search QR code scanner. So scanner now, then you download the one. So here you see I'm using this QR code or barcode reader. Then open this software. So I put it parallel with my QR code on my computer, so I can scan it, so to see whether it is working. So as you were observing, you have seen that I used oburabyo.com as the website address. Now I wait. See? Yes. You see now it is detected now to scan it. So I can click here to open the website. So yes, I can click here to open the website immediately in this QR code. You see now this way is working. This is how you can create your QR code for free and easy steps. So we shall next time we shall come back showing you how also you can create your barcode and how you can design your barcode you want on Android phone. It is not necessary to have a computer, so you can create a QR code. Even a mobile phone can do it. So thank you for watching this video. Subscribe to this channel, like this video, share this video to our friends, and if you didn't turn on the notification bell button, turn on the notification bell button today, so as you get notified when you upload new educational video here at Max TV. So if you have any comment or suggestion or question, leave it in a comment section. Thank you for watching.